Hello, assalamualaikum, and good morning, you guys. So today you're gonna wash the motorcycle? Yeah.
Yeah.
So what color is the motorcycle here?
Yellow. Black
Yellow.
and yellow.
So initially, what we need to do? First thing, we need to find some water. Where's the water, guys? Is there?
There. Okay.
Yeah, we already put some soap here. Actually, guys, this is the first channel that I use English as a medium for communication. So first, you need to use the water hose and spray the motor first. Okay. Ooh, spray it, Adik, spray it. But don't spray it here, okay? Because we have ECU and all the electronic component here. So you just spray the body. Good job, Adik, good job. Okay, you can start to use the clothes, the cotton rag, and start to rub it here, look, at the body. Yeah. But beware, don't touch this area, okay? This area have a electric part. Yeah, electronic part. Yeah, tembak atas je. Just shoot it up there. Okay, guys. Actually, there's a three things that as the main thing for cleaning your chain. Yeah. First, you need to have, of course, a brush. Whatever brush you have, a special chain brush or whatever brush, so it's okay for it. So you can use this type of brush, bought it from D.I.Y and WD-40 to eliminate those nasty greases and those particles in your chain. But make sure, beware to clean it up after spray it, right? And the last one, yeah, what is it? Woo, we're getting raised up. Okay, the last one is the heavy duty chain lube, whatever, but I'm using Apido. So there's a lot of brand in the market you can use for your, as per your suitable brand. Good job, Adik. Get some of the bubble. Adik, add the bubble. Add the bubble, Adik. Add the bubble. Good job. So this is our weekend activity to wash Abah motorcycle. Yeah, Adik, wash Abah motorcycle. What you doing, Abang Long? What? You playing with the soap?
Yeah.
Hmm.
How about this? This you can.
Yeah, but that one need to wash the chain. You want to wash the chain or wash the body first?
Wash the chain.
Yeah, the chain is afterwards. We wash the body first. Okay. Good job, guys. Okay, so you enjoy washing? Are you guys enjoy washing, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoying.
Wow.
Cool, right?
Yeah, it's cool.
Is that the speaker?
Where?
Here.
Oh, you thought this is a speaker?
Yeah.
I think it's not a speaker. I think it's a air band.
Numbers.
Yeah, air band.
The numbers.
Oh, you're washing the numbers? Great at it.
Wash the numbers too. Let's sit in my own first. How will I wash the light?
Yeah, you can wash the light.
Yay! Me too.
Good job, guys. So after this, we wash the chain, okay? Yeah, guys. So So this is my motorcycle chain, Pulsar NS 200. Before this, I already studied a lot of series in YouTube on how to manage chain cleaning. So stay tuned, guys. I will show you step by step how to do the cleaning. So okay, we continue with it. Alright, I will use this WD-40. But before that guy, just now I just used my handphone. Now I think because there's nobody want to help me and my kids already go inside the house and take a bath and watch TV and eat. So I'm gonna continue this by my own. Right. First of all, we use this WD-40, but important matters that you need to be in mind that after you apply this, make sure you spray it with fast water or fast stream of water, because this WD-40, if you left it in a long hours, it will make your ring inside your chain here, it become damaged. So whether you want to spray it with your hand turning on the wheel, or you can turn on the bike power and then put it in the first gear and you spray, but make sure your finger don't put it at the chain, okay, or the sprocket. So I think I'm gonna start the engine and put it in gear 1 and just spray. Alright guys, Bismillah. Alright guys, now the engine is turned on, and then I'm gonna change in gear 1 and start to spray with WD-40. Yeah, see the change there? You should just spray through the chain. Yeah, like this, just like this. You can see on the floor, the oil and the grease start to leak down. Be careful of your finger. You see? See? On the floor, all those stain, grease, and particle already moved down. And then at the same time, you may use this brush, alright, with some soap, and you can start put it here. Yes, you can see the chain start to clean up. I'm sorry for my broken English, because English is not my main speaking language daily. So I'm trying to use English and trying to improve my English time to time. Okay, you can see? You may add a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Alright, take some soap again with the brush, and like this, and like this, and like this. Alright. Okay, if you're confident your chain already clean, you may neutralize your gear. Alright. Okay, now, see? The chain is clean. The chain is clean. Now, must take a fast stream of water and just shoot with the chain. Alright? Move it in your hand. Be careful. Alright? Or you can use the first gear just now, and then at the same time use this fast stream of water to clean it up. Right? Yeah, like this. Spray it, spray it, spray it, spray it, spray it. Oh my goodness. Come on. Of course, your clothes, your pen will be wet, and also your camera, like me. Yeah, just like that. Make sure the water spray to the chain. I learned this move from the YouTuber that we call professional YouTuber, motor vlogger. So I try to apply it to myself, and I think it's worked. It's really worked. Before this, I'm using moped, the below 100cc. So when I upgrade to a higher cc, I start to think that the chain maintenance, the chain and sprocket maintenance is really important, guys, because you are starting to move at a high speed, and the set of chain will ensure the journey runs smoothly. Okay guys, you can do one more time with the soap, the brush here, and the soap. One more time. Yeah, just like this. One more time, just like this. Yeah, if you want to move the sprocket with the engine, make sure you have this holder. Okay, brush with holder. If you guys want to move manually, okay, manually, so it's no problem. You use a brush with a holder. So safety first, guys. Alright, like me, I want it fast, so I just use my both hand. One hand with the water hose, and another one is with the brush with safeguard holder. Right, like this. Yeah, so far so good. And the brush also good. I think it's a bit clean already. Because the chain starts to change color. You see, there's no more grease. Alright, I think it's clean. I need to free the gear. Alright, let's see. Whoa, it's super clean. Now it's clean. See? Now it's really, really clean. Can see that? Yeah. Now it's really, really clean, guys. I think it's good. The next is we need to dry it out. So we can turn it to the first gear or second gear and let it run and let all the moisture, the water dry it out from the chain and the tire. Alright, let's start it. Press a little bit on the throttle. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah. That is enough. Right, see? It's almost dry out. Almost dried out. For me, it's okay now. Yeah. You can see? It's almost dried out. Okay, the next step is we need to take the chain lubricator. So for me, I'm using this Apido brand. Apido brand heavy duty chain lube for my sprocket and chain. After we clean it out, dry it out, so you need to quickly spray it with this chain lube. Alright, let's spray it. Maybe you can spray it with gear on, or you can spray it manually like this, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Second gear. Make sure you spray it not to the rim and also not to spray it to the tire surface here. I think it's enough. Okay, that's all, folks. Let's free the gear. Yeah, let's free the gear, guys. Yeah. Okay, now you see the chain is clean, smooth, without any rusty part, and look healthy. And now you can ride it in top speed in full confidence. Alright, that's all, guys, for today. For the chain. Oh my god, my pronunciation is so bad. For the chain, right? The chain. Chain. Right? Don't forget that the chain is so important for you. That's all, guys. Bye bye.